What's the meaning of compos mentis? Compos mentis. Compos mentis.
Compos mentis. Compos mentis. Compos mentis is a Latin phrase that translates to of sound mind. It describes an individual whose mental faculties are functioning normally, allowing them to make rational decisions and understand the consequences of their actions. When someone is compos mentis, they are considered mentally competent and able to manage their affairs. This term is often used in legal contexts, such as when determining whether a person is capable of making important decisions or signing legal documents. Being compos mentis is a positive attribute that indicates an individual has a clear understanding of their surroundings and can make informed choices.